Cook.
Is that why Filipinos point with their mouth? Is because they're always holding something. So I'm just like,
No, we will get. Yeah. Well, we will get inside. Yeah. So we are in the store.
Now we have to.
Yeah.
Just have to get.
Yeah. We are in the store. Hold my hands. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Nandito kami. Where's the strawberries? Mango. Yan ang mango nila dito. Yan siya. Fresh. Pinya. Sok. Oh.